Hello everyone, welcome to the today's MCQ lectures. So today in this lecture we will discuss about the important questions of vitamins. Okay, so these are questions are so many times these questions are asked in the examination, and so many competitive examination ask these type of questions. So the examinations are like NEET, PG, UPSC, SSC, CBSE, Biology, GPAT, NIBA, Pharmacist examination, any kind of recruitment examination, nursing examination, drug inspector examination. So these are very important. Now look at the questions. Question number 1, chemical name of vitamin A is A. Tocopherol, B. Phylloquinone, C. Retinol, and D. Calciferol. So the correct answer is C. Retinol. Question number 2, chemical name of vitamin K is A. Tocopherol, B. Phylloquinone, C. Retinol, and D. Calciferol. So the correct answer of this question is Phylloquinone. Question number 3, chemical name of vitamin A is A. Tocopherol, B. Phylloquinone, C. Retinol, and D. Riboflavin. So the tocopherol is the correct answer. Question number 4, chemical name of vitamin D is A. Thiamine, B. Cyanocobalamin, C. Retinol, and D. Calciferol. So the correct answer of this question is C. Calciferol. Question number 5, chemical name of vitamin B1 is A. Thiamine, B. Cyanocobalamin, C. Pantothenic acid, and D. Riboflavin. So thiamine is the correct answer. Question number 6, chemical name of vitamin B2 is A. Thiamine, B. Cyanocobalamin, C. Pantothenic acid, and D. Riboflavin. So the correct answer is riboflavin. Question number 7, chemical name of vitamin B3 is A. Thiamine, B. Cyanocobalamin, C. Pantothenic acid, and D. Nicotinic acid. So the correct answer is nicotinic acid. Question number 7, chemical name of vitamin B5 is A. Tocopherol, B. Cyanocobalamin, C. Pantothenic acid, and D. Nicotinic acid. So the correct answer is pantothenic acid. Question number 9, chemical name of vitamin B6 is A. Thiamine, B. Biotin, C. Pantothenic acid, and D. Pyridoxine. Correct answer is pyridoxine. Question number 10, chemical name of vitamin B7 is A. Thiamine, B. Biotin, C. Pantothenic acid, and D. none of these. So biotin is the correct answer. Question number 11, chemical name of vitamin B9 is A. Beta carotene, B. Biotin, C. Pantothenic acid, and D. Folic acid. So folic acid is the correct answer. Question number 12, chemical name of vitamin B12 is A. Beta carotene, B. Biotin, C. Cyanocobalamin, D. Folic acid. So the correct answer is cyanocobalamin. Question number 13, chemical name of vitamin C is A. Beta carotene, B. Biotin, C. Ascorbic acid, and D. Folic acid. So correct answer is ascorbic acid. Question number 14, deficiency disorder caused by vitamin K is A. Beriberi, B. Scurvy, C. Bleeding, and D. Dermatitis. So bleeding is the correct answer. Question number 15, deficiency disorder caused by vitamin E is A. Infertility, B. Scurvy, C. Bleeding, and D. Peripheral neuropathy. So the correct answer is A. Infertility. Question number 16, deficiency disorder caused by vitamin D is A. Rickets, B. Pellagra, C. Bleeding, and D. Peripheral neuropathy. So A. Rickets is the correct answer. Question number 17, deficiency disorder caused by vitamin A is A. Rickets, B. Pellagra, C. Night blindness, and D. Peripheral neuropathy. So night blindness is the correct answer. Question number 18, deficiency disorder caused by vitamin B1 is A. Rickets, B. Beriberi, C. Night blindness, and D. all of these. So beriberi is the correct answer. Question number 19, deficiency disorder caused by vitamin B2 is A. Dry skin, B. Beriberi, C. Night blindness, and D. Scurvy. So dry skin is the correct answer. Question number 20, deficiency disorder caused by vitamin B3 is A. Pellagra, B. Beriberi, C. Night blindness, and D. Scurvy. So pellagra is the correct answer. Question number 21, deficiency disorder caused by vitamin B5 is A. Pellagra, B. Paresthesia, C. Peripheral neuropathy, and D. Scurvy. So paresthesia is the correct answer. Question number 22. Deficiency disorder caused by vitamin B6 is A. Pellagra, B. Microcytic anemia, C. Peripheral neuropathy, and D. B and C. Means microcytic anemia and peripheral neuropathy. So B and C options are correct. Okay, question number 23. Deficiency disorder caused by vitamin B7. A. Pellagra, B. Microcytic anemia, C. Peripheral neuropathy, and D. Dermatitis. So dermatitis is the correct answer. Question number 24. Deficiency disorder caused by vitamin B9 is A. Megaloblastic anemia, C. Microcytic anemia, C. Peripheral neuropathy, and D. Pernicious anemia. So megaloblastic anemia is the correct answer. Question number 25. Deficiency disorder caused by vitamin B12 is A. Megaloblastic anemia, B. Night blindness, C. Beriberi, and D. Pernicious anemia. So pernicious anemia is the correct answer. Question number 26. Deficiency disorder caused by vitamin C is A. Megaloblastic anemia, B. Night blindness, C. Beriberi, and D. Scurvy. So D. Scurvy is the correct answer. Question number 27. What are the symptoms of vitamin D toxicity? A. Polyuria, B. Gout, C. Cardiac arrhythmia, and D. All of these. So all of these are the correct answer here. Question number 28. What are the causes of vitamin D toxicity? A. Very high dietary supplements of vitamin D. B. Very high intake of fortified milk. C. Patient having lymphoma, and D. All of these. So all of these are the correct answer. Question number 29. What are the treatment options available for vitamin D toxicity? A. Stop high dietary supplement of vitamin D. B. Stop taking calcium. C. Corticosteroid may work, and D. All of these. So all of these are the correct answer. Question number 30. Vitamin D toxicity is also known as A. Hypovitaminosis D, B. Hypovitaminosis A, C. Hypervitaminosis D, and D. None of these. So hypervitaminosis D is the correct answer. Question number 31. What is the effect of vitamin D toxicity on ECG? A. Increase in QT interval, B. Decrease in QT interval, C. Increase in ST segment, and D. All of these. So decrease in QT interval is the correct answer. Question number 32. What is the symptom of vitamin A toxicity? A. Anorexia, B. Bone pain, C. Chronic liver toxicity, and D. All of these. So all our options given here are correct. Question number 33. What is the causes of vitamin A toxicity? A. Very high intake of vitamin A sources. B. More than 1 lakh international unit per day intake. C. Both of these, and D. None of these. So both of these options are correct. Question number 34. Treatment of vitamin A toxicity is A. Stop vitamin A medicine, B. Stop intake of vitamin A dietary food, C. Give vitamin E, and D. All of these. So all options given here are correct. Question number 35. Vitamin A toxicity is also known as A. Hypovitaminosis D, B. Hypovitaminosis A, C. Hypervitaminosis D, and D. Hypervitaminosis A. So hypervitaminosis A is correct option. Question number 36. Vitamin A toxicity symptoms are A. Alopecia, B. Erythema, D. Dermatitis, and D. All of these. So all of these options are correct here. So look at here, I already given answer of all of these questions in my various lectures. These are some pictures of these lectures. So go through with these lectures. There are 4 to 5 lectures regarding the vitamins. So all of these lectures will help you to understand all the answers of these questions. So I hope this video will help you a lot in to find out the answers as well as important questions of vitamins. So like the video, share the video as well as subscribe the channel.